All right, so this is stack number 3. If you remember from the slab video, we said this one was going to be our workhorse. It's got a lot of fixture units on it. So we came up, split off, and made another stack. We'll talk through the stack on the right real quick. You can see it 3-inch wide, comes over to a 45, comes into another 3-inch wide that comes over. This is a 3-inch horizontal line that goes over to a bar sink and a lavatory, or excuse me, the laundry. So right there is a 3x2 that comes over and goes to the bar sink. And off to the left, there's that 3-inch that turns up, and that goes to a washing machine box. And I'll show you that upstairs. All right, so let's backtrack a little bit. Now, that stack on the right comes up and goes into a heel outlet, which goes up for the toilet. And out of the back of the heel outlet is a 2-inch combo into a P-trap for a tub shower. And all this is vented through the lavatory, which comes over this way, sweeps over and sweeps up into a lavatory drain. And now we'll come back over to this and go to the left. You see that stack that comes up into a 90 and turns here. Right there you can see there's a 45 into a suite that goes up to a 3-inch stack that goes up to the top floor of the house. I'll walk you through that in a second.